The Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner is a breakthrough in fuel system maintenance. It deep cleans the entire fuel system so that your vehicle runs smoother, and it's the most effective way to renew your fuel system components. Accompanying the Lucas Deep Clean is the Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner. It is designed to clean and lubricate not only the fuel system, but the combustion chamber as well. It is the #1 selling fuel additive in the world. This treatment is designed to use for 4 gasoline fill-ups. For the first fill-up, pour the entire contents of the Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner bottle into the gas tank before or after fueling. For fill-ups 2 through 4, pour the entire contents of the Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner fuel treatment into the gasoline tank before or after fueling. The Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner kickstarts the deep cleaning process, while the Upper Cylinder Lubricant maintains engine cleanliness while lubricating the entire fuel system. With the complete fuel system renewal kit, you'll see an increase in fuel mileage, performance, and maximum engine efficiency. Removes carbon deposits, gums, and varnishes that build up in jets and injectors. Eliminates knocking and pinging. Increases fuel mileage and performance. Brings sluggish engines back to life. Eliminates the need for using higher octane fuel. Allows engines to operate at maximum efficiency. More power and decreased emissions. Lucas Oil. It works.